Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you in Instagram how you can post multiple stories. So open Instagram, on the top left side corner in your story you will see your story and plus blue button. Click the blue button and it will bring your camera. If you want to click some photographs, you can click and you can post it to your story. Okay, so it's posting to your story. So you are done. Now you want to send another story. You don't have option here. So for adding multiple story, you have to go to your gallery. So go to your gallery, open the picture you want to share in your story. Okay, so click the send button. Now click Instagram stories. It will bring Instagram. You can edit the picture. You can edit it whatever you want, then just click the send button to your story on the top. Done. So it's done. Like this you can post multiple story in your story. Okay, so I'll go to my story and I'll show you. So this is the first story we shared 3 minutes ago. This is the second story. Likewise, you can share multiple stories. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Wait for the next one.